The topic of chapter 14 is gerunds and infinitives part 1. It's because you're going to have 2 chapters with the same topic, chapters 14 and 15. A gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a noun. Don't get confused with the present participle. It's not the same thing. A gerund is used in the same way as a noun, for example, as a subject or as an object. Playing tennis is fun. Playing tennis here is the subject of my sentence. This is very different from the present progressive. For instance, if I say Bob and Ann are playing tennis, that's the present progressive, and the subject would be Bob and Ann. Here is not. Here the gerund is acting as the subject of my sentence. Let's see example B. We enjoy playing tennis. Here playing is the object of the verb enjoy. He's excited about playing tennis. In this scenario, playing is the object of the preposition about. A gerund is frequently used as the object of a preposition. We talked about going to Canada for our vacation. Let's see some common prepositions plus gerunds. To be excited about, you need to use a gerund. Complain of plus gerund. Apologize for gerund. Be accused of plus gerund. Take care of plus gerund. You can see a full list if you go to page 299. Common verbs followed by gerunds. Gerunds are used as the object of certain verbs. For example, I enjoy playing tennis. Playing is the object of the verb to enjoy. Joe quit smoking. He quit what? Smoking. So smoking is the object of the verb to quit. Other verbs that we have are avoid, mind, stop, appreciate, give up, postpone, put off, consider, discuss, mention, suggest, keep, delay, keep on, finish, get through, etc. Now you need to be careful with the verb stop, because the verb to stop you could have 2 ways. You could use with the infinitive if it expresses purpose. For example, while I was walking down the street, I ran into an old friend. So I stopped to talk to him. Okay? So in this case, I would use with an infinitive. But sometimes I'm going to use the verb stop plus gerund, and the gerund will be the object of my verb. Like stop talking. Stop what? Talking. So talking would be the gerund, and it would be used as the object of the verb to stop. Go plus gerund. Special expressions plus gerund. Go is followed by a gerund in certain idiomatic expressions to express, for the most part, recreational activities. You can see a full list if you go to page 303. For example, go shopping, go fishing, go skating, etc. ing forms follow certain special expressions. I had trouble finding this house. I waste a lot of time watching TV. I found George using my phone. He is lying in bed reading a novel. Other expressions are to have fun or have a good time plus ing, have trouble or difficulty, have a hard time or difficult time plus gerund, spend plus expression of time or money plus gerund, waste, as we saw the example, plus expression of time or money plus gerund, sit plus expression of place plus gerund, stand plus expression of place plus gerund, lie plus expression of place plus gerund, find plus pronoun or noun plus gerund, and catch plus pronoun or noun plus gerund. Now let's see some common verbs followed by infinitives. And again, you can find a full list if you go to page 307. So let's see. Verb plus infinitive. I hope to see you again soon. He promised not to be late. Verb with pronoun plus infinitive. My mom told me to stay here. My husband asked me to marry him 14 years ago. Common verbs followed by either infinitive or gerunds. Some verbs can be followed by either an infinitive or a gerund, sometimes with no difference in meaning and sometimes with a difference in meaning. Let's see examples with no difference in meaning. It began to rain. It began raining. I started to work. I started working. Now with difference in meaning. I always remember to lock the door. In this case, you're using the verb to remember plus infinitive because you want to convey the meaning that you remember to perform responsibility, duty, or a task. I remember seeing the snow for the first time. In this case, you are using the verb to remember plus a gerund because you want to convey the meaning that you remember, that you recall something that happened in the past. Other verbs you can find if you go to page 311. Well, that is all for chapter 14. We will continue this same topic when we see chapter 15. Thank you.